Is your PlayStation 4 stuck on a black screen, leaving you hanging in gaming limbo? Let's troubleshoot that frustrating black screen issue step by step, allowing you to potentially fix this situation yourself and get you back into the gaming world. Our first step is to look at our physical connections. Starting with the HDMI cable, make sure it's securely plugged into both your PS4 and your TV. Check the HDMI cable for any obvious signs of damage, like bent pins or frayed wires. If you find damage, your first attempted fix is to replace it, then move onto the HDMI port on your TV and PS4. Try a different HDMI port on your TV if possible. Test the PS4 cable with another device to ensure the cable works. Next, let's see if a simple restart can fix the problem. Power down your PlayStation 4 completely by pressing the power button on the console. Make sure it's completely off. The light should not be illuminated. Wait 30 seconds, then power the console back up by pressing the power button. If a simple restart doesn't help and the issue is still occurring, we can try the safe mode option to do this. Completely power off your PS4. Hold the power button on the console. Keep holding it until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB, then you will be sent to the safe mode screen. From the safe mode menu, select Restore Default Settings. This will reset your PS4 settings to their factory defaults, which may resolve the black screen issue due to a software-related problem. Don't worry, this won't delete your game data. If none of these steps solve the black screen problem, it sadly might be more serious, and you might need to seek professional help. Remember to troubleshoot carefully, and hopefully, these steps will get your PS4 up and running.